Welcome to Organize Me tutorial on how to add music to Facebook story. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will be showing you how to do this on Facebook app, but the settings will be similar to desktop too. Tap on Create a Story at the top left of the Facebook homepage. Then tap on Music at the top of the page. You can tap Search Music at the top of the page to search for a specific song, or tap Browse in the top left and then choose a category and find the song you would like to add to your story. Tap on the song to select it. Your camera roll will now pop up for you to choose a picture or a video to go with your song. Choose the one you want. If you don't want to choose a photo or a video from your gallery, you can pick one of Facebook's background for the song instead. To do this, tap on the circle at the top of the page and then choose the background you would like. Tap Share Story and your story will be posted with the song. And that goes an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Organize Me for more Facebook tips and tricks.